about getting job, not even good job, because there's no place, there's no, let's just say there's no perfect job. You understand? You just have to adjust to anywhere you are. You understand? Nobody can say my job is perfect. Even those people working in the office, those working in the no, nobody can say their job is perfect. Everybody has challenges in their work, and that is what I want everybody to understand. Now, yo, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Chris Amilo, and welcome back to another episode of Life in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Don't forget, this video is powered by Nigeria Union of Emirates. So apparently, last time, my video was taken down. That was yesterday. My video was taken down. I apologize for that. There's a things that is beyond my control, and I have to take down the video. So, but I apologize for that. But apart from that, I want you guys to know that I want to let you guys know that applying for work in UAE is really a kind of complicated issue, especially for those of us that came new, for those of us that is here for the first time, that don't know how to go about employing how to go about searching for work or applying for work. So I'm going to give you some tips on how you will apply for work in UAE. Just wait, I'm coming back. So like I said, I want to give you tips if you are looking for work in UAE, how to get the work. I know I am not God. I cannot tell you that you're going to get the work using these tips, but at least it can guide you for searching for work. Now, first tip that I'm going to give you when you are searching for work is that make a very good and representative CV. Yeah, you have to make a very good approach in your CV. You don't have to make your CV 2 pages. You don't have to make it very big. Just a simple CV. The employer is not looking at the whole thing that you're writing. All they need is your picture, what you're applying for, your skills, and that's all. Do you understand? So that is it. Secondly, you have to make sure that your picture, your passport photograph, I've said this before, but I'm repeating it again so that those of us that subscribe new to my channel, we also go along, because this is about educating you that came new about getting good job, or about getting job, not even good job, because there's no place, let's just say there's no perfect job. You understand? You just have to adjust to anywhere you are. You understand? Nobody can say my job is perfect. Even those people working in the office, those working in nobody can say their job is perfect. Everybody has challenges in their work, and that is what I want everybody to understand. Now, sometimes you don't know the value of the things you have until you lost it. You understand? You will be in a company. I am telling you, if you're in a company today, this is a natural feeling that you will feel like you are being neglected, you are being discriminated. This is a normal feeling. Don't let it get to your head. Don't let those people that advise you wrongly, don't let it to get to your head. Understand? Let your way try to be that different person. Do not just be that same Nigerian. Yes, you have to be a Nigerian, but you have to be a different Nigerian, because already Nigeria has a very bad stamp on their back. Now you have to differentiate yourself from them, from that bad stamp. So you have to be a different Nigeria when you are working in your company. I'm not saying that it's not good to represent your company, but you have to be a different Nigeria. That is what I'm going to tell you. And again, when you go for an interview, your appearance is very is matters a lot. You understand? I keep saying this. The way you appear to your work, you cannot wear this. You can wear this for an interview, but you cannot wear. Maybe some of these eyeglasses, okay, but chain, no. You need to shave. See how my baby is looking. I look very rough. But if I'm going for an interview, you will see me. I will be neat. Understand? So that is it. Understand? And again, for those of us that are already working in the company, it is left for you to set a good example for other people to come inside. You understand? It is left for you to send a good example for other people to come inside. I'll be repeating this because you people need to hear it. You need to hear it. You need it. You understand? You need to set a good example for another people to come inside. If you cannot keep a bad example and expect another person to, you expect that company to hire another Nigerian. So I've got that kind. I have a lot of experiences like that. I have even experienced it. So that is why I'm telling you people, so that you won't make a mistake that we all made in the past. Do you understand? So ladies and gentlemen, my name is Christian Milo and this is Life in Dubai. This channel brings you everything you need to know concerning your job and your contract. By the way, I'll be talking about limited and unlimited contract. I just used this topic to round up the security saga and to round up everything that has to do with you coming to UAE and applying for work. If you not learn anything from the past 4 days that I'll be doing the same video, if you never learn anything, I may say your ear no dey function. But by the way, I'll be moving on to limited contract and unlimited contract, and also why are you fighting your company? No, a lot of us believe say na fight we go take win. It doesn't work like that. A lot of people have made that mistake. I know people who don't make that mistake. So I will not want you to make that mistake by fighting your company or taking your company to court. I am coming back to tell you why you should not dare take your company to court. It might favor you, it might not favor you, but make I tell you something. It might not favor you, you understand? Let me give you an example. If I'm paying tax of maybe 2 million dirham, and because of you, there was a time that in my former company, there was a company I worked in. Then my boss called me and he said to me that, do you know you are on contract? Do you know you are on contract with other companies? Because other companies employ us from the company. Now he told me that, do you know that we cannot terminate the contract we have with the company because of one person? We are just discussing and he told me that. Now, I now recall, if you are taking your, I'm coming back with a new episode of Life in Dubai, and this one goes choke. You go choke because I'm going to bring a lot of things to the table. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Christian Milo and this is Life in Dubai. If you have any question concerning your job, your employment, your visa, your anything that you want to ask concerning your job, I'm here. I can assist you the way I can. I am not perfect. I don't know everything. I am not an immigration officer and I don't work anywhere close to immigration office, but I know with my little experience I can help out. So ladies and gentlemen, this is Christian Milo and this is Life in Dubai. Peace off. Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Christian Milo and thank you for watching that particular episode of Life in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Quick one here. If you are new in UAE on tourist visa, or if you just cancelled from your company and you want to change work and you're looking for your work desperately, or you need job, all you need to do, go to my description box. You will see a lot of job vacancies there at my description box. There you can apply for any work you come direct from the company, no agent fee, nothing. If anybody you contacted asks you for any agent fee, ignore the person because the job is supposed to be direct from the company and the company email address and website is down in my description box. So thank you for watching. God bless and peace of Chris and Milo. Life in Dubai.